Hey guys, so in this video, I'll be showing you guys how to get free diamonds in Bigo Live. So let me just show you guys quickly. So I'm going to open it up and you guys are going to see how poor I am, and then we'll get down and dirty. So here we are. And as you can see, we can add the resources. So this is the modded version, which I'm going to show you guys how to download. So let's just give it a second for this to load. So as you can see, the resources should start going up. And as you can see, it's going to start increasing, and it says coins were added. So where are the coins or the gems or the diamonds, whatever, I don't know, but there they are. So I'm going to show you guys how to do this. So it's super cool. So let's get straight into the guide. And if you guys are poor, keep watching, and I'm going to show you guys how to do it. So the first thing we're going to do, go matrixmods.com, find Bigo Live, press download. Now before the mod downloads, there is going to be verification. So you just have to download like 2 apps and follow the instructions. It's 100% free from official app store. So I'm going to show you guys how to do it. So let's just wait for this to load. As you can see, so we'll just give it a second for this to load up. Also, I just want to let you know this whole page here is pretty shitty. It takes forever to load sometimes, but we're just going to let it load up. And as you can see, it worked, but the page didn't show the apps. So you might have to refresh it, but as you can see, there's the apps. So you want to download 2 of them. So like poker, it says install and open the app, and I have to earn some points on it. Then we got the Travel Town one. This one's a game, so I got to reach like level 9 on it or something. So I just press continue, download it, play it, and reach level 9. So peace out, guys. I hope you enjoyed, but that's how to get free Bigo Live diamonds. So it's super cool. So definitely go ahead and try it out for yourself. I mean, this is super awesome, and it totally works, guys. So yeah, I mean, Bigo Live's cool and all, but having no diamonds on it is kind of bizarre. So if that's how you want to roll, then I guess you could do that. But personally, I want to have some, so definitely try it out. Yeah. So this is super cool, guys. One thing is, make sure you go to settings and keep that background refresh turned on. But other than that, you should be good to go. So I'm going to see you guys later. But yeah, that's how to get free Bigo Live diamonds. So cool, guys. And it doesn't require a jailbreak either. So I don't know who can complain, bro, when you're so rich. So yeah, try it out for yourself, guys. It's super awesome. But yeah, if this video works for you guys, be sure to go ahead and share it. I'll see you guys later though. So yeah, it's super cool. Yeah, it's pretty wild. It actually works. But yeah, there's no computer needed for this or anything like that. So that's pretty cool. So yeah, if you guys are broke, I would encourage you to try this because it is really working. And it's pretty fun too. So I think you guys are gonna have no problem with this at all. So definitely go ahead and try it out. But yeah, that's how to get this Bigo Live free diamonds hack for iOS and Android. So super cool. It actually is updated as well. So just make sure you do the background refresh and all that, and be good to go. But yeah, peace out, guys. So if this video works for you guys, definitely go ahead and share it. I'll see you guys later. But yeah, be sure to subscribe to the channel if you guys like this stuff, because it's pretty wild. But yeah, I don't know. If you don't want it, then don't do it. But lots of people are going to do it. So I'll see you guys in another video, and peace out, my gang.